Lilburn Garage Door Repair. Lilburn Garage Door Repair is the #1 leading garage door repair and installation company in Lilburn. We offer the best local service with same-day repairs and warranties offered for every single job. There is no reason to choose anyone else. Call us today at 404-935-6231. We can stop by today to help you out. We also offer many coupons on our website that you can use to save yourself some money. We offer residential, commercial services. We specialize in opener repair, installation and sales. We also offer torsion and extension string repair and installation. Call Lilburn Garage Door Repair today at 404-935-6231 for the best service in town. Garage door replacement. Garage door repair. Garage door string repair. Garage door opener installation. Call Lilburn Garage Door Repair today at 404-935-6231.